friends, it's Jade from Sweet Softies, and today I'm excited to share with you my newest amigurumi design. This is the Cuddle Bunny, and it's a Ragdoll Lovey. So as you can see, it has a flat body, flat arms, flat body, and flat little legs and feet here. It's completely unstuffed in the lower part of the amigurumi, and really the head is the only part that has stuffing. So it's supposed to mimic a security blanket for little ones to cuddle and hug and feel safe with. And if you are making this for a young child, though, I would recommend using embroidery thread to sew on the eyes as opposed to having plastic safety eyes, because plastic safety eyes can be a choking hazard. So just keep that in mind if you're gifting it to a young child or to a baby. Now, this pattern features this ragdoll bunny that's made almost completely in one piece. The head, the arms, the legs, and the feet, as well as the lace details, are all done in one piece using crochet methods. So you're gonna really love that it's like almost a no-sew pattern. The only parts that you are sewing on would be the ears. And actually the ears also feature some clever color changing so that you can have dual tone ears without having to sew extra pieces or add any, paints or blush or anything on. So it's super safe for baby, as long as you do those embroidered eyes. And you can also crochet this in many different colors. You can make it pink like I have here, or you can use a different color. It could be a gender neutral and unisex baby toy, and your little ones will be sure to love cuddling with it. I also wanted to mention the kind of yarn that I used. So this is a super bulky weight 6 yarn. The brand I used is called Baby Snuggle by Hobbii. I'll link that in the description box, and I'll have a review coming up for that yarn because I actually absolutely love it for amigurumi. Because it's bulky, it works up super fast, and because it's this lovely 100% polyester yarn, it's very soft, perfect for cuddling with, and the finished doll is just feels really really smooth. So it's got a great texture. I love that the look of it is not as defined as regular yarn that you would use for amigurumi. So it's more suitable for plushies and stuffed animals, I feel, than that, like acrylic or cotton yarn. And since it's really thick, it also works up super fast, which I love. So be sure to check this pattern out. I will have that pattern linked in the description box below. And let's go ahead and take a quick closer look at the bunny.